Hey, you have a zero skill and want to earn money? Then watch this video till the end because in this video I will be discussing about how you can earn money by using less amount of a skill. So let's get started. Hello guys, my name is Pradip and in this video I will be discussing about how you can make money by using canva.com. Okay, so what is Canva? Canva is a graphic designing tool. You can learn Canva within a 1 or 2 days. Okay, within a 1 or 2 days you can learn Canva and start earning money on the Fiverr.com. Okay, so in this video I will be giving you a proof how I made $50 by using a canva.com and how other peoples are making lots of amount and bunch of amount of money by using a canva.com only. Okay, so let's get started and move to the computer screen, and there I will be discussing all stuff related to how you can make money by using canva.com and how I was. Okay, so firstly we will discuss how other people are making money by using Canva. Okay, so visit the fiverr.com only and enter here Canva only. Okay, if I enter here Canva, then you will be found like all lots of gigs related to the Canva. Okay, so this person is providing, I will be design a poster for and banners by using Canva. I will be designing social media banners and social media posts by using Canva, and lots of gigs are available there about the Canva. Okay, and if I visit the 10th page, okay, if I visit the 10th page, then also some people are ranking here. You can see here this person rank on the 15th page, I mean 10th page, sorry, and this person completed the 15 orders. Okay, there are lots of peoples are ranking on the 10th page also. Okay, 10th page, I see 10th page in fiverr.com also. Okay, so you can think about how it's famous the canva.com is. I opened here some of the gigs and we will be discussing about them. Okay, so this is one of the gig about the Canva. This person, I will be designing Canva templates for your social media. Okay, it's just easy. Within 10 minute or 5 minute you can design, or minimum within a half hour. Okay, you can design any templates related to the social media. Okay, so if I discuss about the packages, here is the $25 basic package for this person, and standard is $40 and premium is $55. Okay, if we consider the basic package only, then this person is completed like 500 orders. 474 means 450 orders this person is completed till now. Okay, by using just this gig. Okay, or maybe others gigs also. So if we consider this person is completed 200 orders by using this gig, then how much money this person will earn, was earned like that. Okay, we will be calculating here. If we consider the 25 into only 200 orders, okay, then this person made like $5,000 by using just this gig. पैसा ही पैसा होगा. Okay, you can think about how much money you can earn if you are do the great work, if you are do the like great SEO of your gig and fiverr.com. Okay, so check out my fiverr.com's videos. I will be link these videos in I button also and description box also. There are the whole playlist. I will totally and in depth discuss about on this playlist about the how you can rank your gig, how you can rank your account on the fiverr.com. Okay, so these are the bunch of other gigs also. Okay, this gig also, this gig basic package 30, 50 and 80 just by using Canva templates, and this gigs also, and this gig also like 25, 50, 85, and this gig. There are the lots of gigs. Okay, and you can see here in my account like $15 are credited. Okay, I made this money just by using Canva. Okay, how I will be giving you a proof for this. Okay, so this is my free Canva account. I haven't purchased the premium of a Canva. By using just free tool, I am earning money right now. So how I made this money? Okay, you can see here this banner. Okay, this banner I just created by using the canva.com and I submitted on the Fiverr. Okay, one of the client I approach me and they say me I want banner like this, then I create this banner and submit on the Canva, or submit on the fiverr.com and earn the $20 rupees for this banner only. Okay, oh my god. and I will be showing other works also. This like where these logos, I created this logo by using Canva. I created this logo by using Canva. I make my videos related thumbnails by using canva.com, and lots and bunch of the work. Okay, so you can also use this tool for making money. You have to try first on the fiverr.com, make gigs, learn these things and make money. Okay,
समझ रहे हो समझ रहे हो आप
and how you can learn about the Canva, just to visit the YouTube and enter here how Canva tutorial. Okay, Canva tutorial. If you enter the Canva tutorial, then bunch of the videos available to learn canva.com. You watch some of the videos from that and learn within 1 or 2 days about the Canva. Okay, and check out my playlist of the freelancing. Okay, here I will be discussing how I got my first order, and how you rank your gig, how you deal with the client, how you communicate with the client, how you start freelancing, and all stuff related to the freelancing. Here must I say, check out my freelancing playlist. Okay, so guys, this is all my experience by using free tool like Canva and earning money by using Canva. I hope you like this.
Hey, that's all about the canva.com. Make sure to hit the like button for this video and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching video. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye.